So today I'm gonna be showing you the 3 easiest tricks in the world. So the first one is called the quick draw, and like it's really simple. It's like that. So first you want to swing it out like this and then bring it forward, and that's it. Swing it and then bring it forward, and you also have to like kind of twist the safe handle and hold the safe handle while doing this. Yeah, that's basically it. It took like a while for me to practice this. I don't know why, but then you get the hang of it when you do it over and over again. So yeah. So the second one is the double rollout. So hold the safe handle for this one too. So what you want to do is flick it out over your index finger and then to the side, and then bring it forward. Out, side, bring it forward. That's it. Oh, I can't find an angle for this. So the third one is called the inverse opening. I think it's kind of like the double rollout, but like downwards. So for this trick, you want to drop the bite handle, spin it, and then bring it back up. And then same with the closing. Drop it, spin, back. So it doesn't really matter which way you spin it. You can spin it that way or this way or whatever. So yeah, that's it. Please leave a thumbs up for this video because I like thumbs, and subscribe because I like subscribers. And comment because I like comments, okay? And subscribe to Godly Thresh. He posts his League of Legends videos. So if you like League of Legends, then watch his videos and subscribe.